Brain-computer interface. Brain-computer interface refers to a direct connection created between the brain and an external device. Currently, it is mainly used in the medical field, such as improving the quality of life for paralyzed people and helping the blind to regain their sight. With the development of this technology, we may be able to directly transmit information from the internet to the brain in the future, mastering various skills without hard study. However, we need to be vigilant about the accompanying information security and privacy issues. For instance, hackers might try to use brain-computer interfaces to steal personal thoughts or memory information. Therefore, in the future, how to ensure the information security and privacy protection of brain-computer interfaces will become an important issue. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a new computing model that follows the laws of quantum mechanics. When processing specific problems, it is faster than classical computers. For example, in 2019, Google's quantum processor completed a specific computing task in just 200 seconds. But the most powerful supercomputer at the time was estimated to take 10,000 years to complete the same task. Therefore, the theory of quantum supremacy suggests that when quantum computers develop to a certain scale, they will be able to perform tasks that current classical computers cannot and lead to major scientific breakthroughs in many fields. But at the same time, it will also pose a huge challenge to encryption technology. For example, hackers might use this advanced technology to easily breach some top-secret websites or databases. However, currently the core challenge facing quantum computing is to effectively manage errors while increasing the number of qubits. Humanoid robots. When artificial intelligence can fully handle manual labor and dangerous tasks, humanity is expected to be freed from heavy labor. Humanoid robots will gradually expand from the industrial sector to the service industry and artistic work, striving for full automation. But the rapid development of humanoid robots, whether it is an opportunity or a challenge, is still unknown. In the future, everyone may have a robot assistant, especially the elderly. Humanoid robots will also be widely used in sports and medical fields. For example, at the 2025 Spring Festival Gala, the Yangzhe dancing robot launched by Yushu Technology showed everyone the great prospects of robot technology. Generative artificial intelligence. Currently, generative artificial intelligence is already in a rapid development stage. However, for now in AI-generated content, we can mostly spot the flaws with the naked eye. But as technology continues to develop in the future, things generated by AI may become increasingly realistic, even making it difficult for people to distinguish. This will significantly lower the barrier to creation for people. Often, we only need to input some simple prompts to create animations, video games, articles, and more. However, this may cause some professions to face significant challenges, such as programmers, voice actors, etc. Furthermore, in the future, whether in court or in public opinion, a video or a photo will also be difficult to use as evidence presented in court. False information will also spread on an unprecedented scale and at an unprecedented speed. Artificial womb. In theory, an artificial womb can bypass traditional reproductive limits, solving the problem of low birth rates in some countries. It can simulate the function of a natural uterus through an artificial environment. But the actual effectiveness of this technology is still controversial, and it also faces dual challenges of technology and ethics. Internet of Things. The IoT refers to a network that connects various smart devices via the internet to achieve information exchange. It can combine machine algorithms and artificial intelligence based on user preferences and habits to achieve personalized customization. For example, a smart home system can automatically adjust lighting or temperature based on the user's living habits. In urban management, it can also significantly improve the efficiency of transportation, waste management, and public safety. We can also use the IoT to collect real-time environmental data, such as air quality, water quality, urban congestion levels, etc., and combine it with automated systems for scheduling and management. Autonomous driving. In the past decade, the average number of people dying in car accidents nationwide each year is about 60,000. But the development of autonomous driving technology is bringing a brand new solution to this problem. For example, Huawei's Intelligent Driving System and BYD's Eye of the God are domestic companies that are actively promoting innovation in this field. In the future, when autonomous vehicles are deeply integrated with smart roads, commuting efficiency will be greatly improved. We might even be able to travel by car without a driver's license. But jobs like drivers may face significant challenges, and the demand for private cars will also decrease, while car sharing will become more common. But this technology is also accompanied by a profound ethical dilemma. In the event of an accident, should the autonomous driving system prioritize protecting the passenger or the pedestrian? Space tourism. In June 2025, the American company Blue Origin's suborbital flight tourism project once again sent 6 tourists to the edge of space. Currently, this space tourism service is mainly aimed at wealthy people from all over the world. But as time goes by, staying in space hotels, experiencing zero-gravity sports, and even traveling between different planets will become commonplace.